you are here?
Yes, please.
I'm off to work.
Okay.
Alright. Is it good?
Yeah, I can answer.
Alright, thank you. Alright, the money is on the table. Alright. Take care. Alright. Oh, where's my car key?
Where did you leave it?
Siri. Where's my car key?
Your car key is on the TV stand.
Oh, okay.
Wow, this Siri is something else. So.
Yes, you. Now iPhone is improving. You can ask any question and it will answer you.
So you mean I can ask any question at all?
Yes, any question.
Siri, what's my name?
Portia Mreku is your name.
Wow, it's true. Siri, can you tell me more about myself?
Yes, I can. Portia Mreku is your name. You are a Sunday born and you teach. You have 3 boyfriends and Kweku Smart is your serious boyfriend. One is Bismarck and other one is Steven. While yesterday, Kweku Smart called you and you refused to answer because you were with Bismarck and you lied to Kweku that you were deep asleep yesterday night. Meanwhile, you lie.
Siri, it's okay.
No, you asked me to tell you more about yourself, so allow me.
Siri, continue.
Oh.
Do you remember a certain guy took your number and you can talk to him all night? If Kweku asks you, you always tell him it's your mom, but it's a lie. You lie to Kweku that you're pregnant for him, so you want to do abortion. Meanwhile, it's a lie. And you took the money to buy teddy bear for your room. You have been doing this for several times. The other day, you stole money from his wallet. When he asked you, you say you don't know anything about it. Why, Portia? Why?
Viewers. Is that how human being is it?